He did not come from a dynasty of celebrated actors, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of emotional restraint, intensity, and commanding screen presence, Ulaş Tuna Astepe didn't simply enter Turkish television. He built a reputation through discipline and depth, transforming formal theater training into one of the most respected dramatic careers of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on May 5, 1988, in Izmit, Turkey, Ulaş Tuna Astepe's journey began far from the large-scale productions that would later define his career. From an early age, he was drawn to performance and storytelling, eventually pursuing professional training at Mimar Sinan Fine Arts University. Theater became his foundation, teaching him character analysis, emotional control, and the value of preparation long before mainstream recognition arrived. Years of steady work followed. He appeared in supporting television roles that gradually introduced him to national audiences, but his breakthrough came with his portrayal of Tahir Kalilay in Sen Anlat Karadeniz. The series became a major success, tackling socially intense themes while capturing high ratings. His performance, grounded yet powerful, revealed an actor capable of conveying strength and vulnerability without excess. Rather than remaining within one dramatic mold, he expanded his range. In Barbaroslar, Akdeniz and Kilisay, he stepped into a physically demanding historical role, embracing transformation and epic storytelling. Later, in Hayat Bugün, he portrayed a contemporary character navigating ethical dilemmas and emotional complexity. Each project demonstrated calculated growth rather than repetition. By 2026, Ulaş Tuna Astepe is regarded as a dependable and versatile dramatic lead. Directors appreciate his preparation and focus. Audiences connect with his authenticity, and critics acknowledge his ability to anchor emotionally charged narratives. His career reflects strategic progression and a commitment to longevity in a competitive industry. Off-screen, his lifestyle reflects composure and balance. He maintains a structured routine that supports both physical conditioning and mental clarity, especially when preparing for physically intense roles. Unlike many in the spotlight, he keeps his private life measured, allowing his performances to remain the primary focus. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic identity. Known for clean tailoring and understated elegance, he carries a quiet confidence at premieres and industry events. His style emphasizes refinement over flash, reinforcing the serious, composed persona associated with his work. While public interest occasionally extends to his personal life, he remains selective about what he shares. He consistently redirects attention toward his craft and professional development. Within the industry, he is described as disciplined, analytical, and deeply engaged in understanding the psychological layers of his characters. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects years of consistent work in high-profile productions, endorsement partnerships, and international distribution of his series. Beyond financial success, he has earned sustained credibility and respect across the Turkish entertainment landscape. What distinguishes him most is emotional precision. He favors subtle tension over dramatic exaggeration, allowing silence and expression to carry weight. This controlled intensity quietly defines his acting style and separates him from trend-driven performances. Ulaş Tuna Astepe's journey is defined by refinement rather than rapid fame. From theater student to leading dramatic force, his rise reflects dedication, patience, and artistic integrity. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern Turkish television, composed, evolving, and built for lasting impact. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a background of fame, yet there was a quiet intensity about her that audiences immediately felt. With a natural blend of elegance, strength, and commanding screen presence, Özge Törer didn't simply enter Turkish television. She stepped into it with purpose, embodying one of history's most respected figures and transforming a single opportunity into a defining career breakthrough. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 16, 1998, in Istanbul, Turkey, Özge Törer's story began far from the scale of epic historical productions. She pursued formal education in the arts at Muglasiki Koçman University, where she studied performing arts and immersed herself in theater. Those academic years became the foundation of her craft, sharpening her emotional expression, discipline, and ability to fully inhabit complex characters. Her professional breakthrough came when she was cast as Bala Hatun in the historical drama Kuruluş Osman. Taking on a character rooted in history required more than performance. It demanded cultural awareness, emotional restraint, and quiet strength. The series quickly expanded beyond Turkey, reaching international audiences and establishing Özge as a recognizable face in global historical television. Instead of treating the role as a temporary spotlight, she approached it with long-term dedication. Her portrayal balanced grace with resilience, spirituality with determination, earning appreciation from viewers who admired the depth she brought to a historically significant figure. The role did not just introduce her to fame, it positioned her as a leading presence within the genre. By 2026, Özge Törer is regarded as one of the promising young actresses in Turkish historical drama. Producers recognize her consistency, audiences connect with her composed authenticity, and industry observers note her steady growth. Her career path reflects patience and selectivity rather than rapid overexposure. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance and refinement. She maintains a structured routine that supports both physical endurance and emotional focus, especially important for the demanding schedules of period productions. She presents herself with understated elegance, favoring appearances that align with her calm and polished public image. Her fashion choices mirror her personality, graceful yet confident. Whether attending premieres or formal events, she gravitates toward clean silhouettes and timeless styling, reinforcing a brand built on poise rather than extravagance. Although public interest in her private life has grown alongside her fame, she keeps personal matters discreet, consistently allowing her professional work to remain the central narrative. Within the industry, she is described as focused, respectful, and committed to fully understanding the emotional layers of her roles. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects consistent earnings from long-running television success, endorsements, and brand collaborations. More importantly, she has built credibility early in her career, positioning herself for longevity rather than momentary popularity. What distinguishes Özge most is composure. From her debut to sustained recognition, she carries maturity beyond her years. Her journey is defined by careful growth, cultural representation, and quiet ambition. Özge Törer's rise reflects intention rather than accident. From university stages to international screens, her path shows discipline, patience, and evolving artistry. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a refined symbol of modern Turkish historical drama, grounded, elegant, and steadily ascending. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.